What's this?
Looks like a red wire.
Oh. That wasn't here before.
Well, it's a computer, Dwight. I mean, computers have wires.
Yours doesn't.
Doesn't it?
No. It's going in a different direction than the other wires.
Dwight, I'm really busy. I can't talk about this anymore.
Dwight,
Just
out of
shut
here.
up, Phyllis. I got 500 feet of red wire at a flea market up by Dunmore High School. $20 for the whole spool. Crazy. What a deal. Oh, he'll be fine. I made it up there. Hey. Oh, what's this?
that is a demerit.
Jim Halpert, tardiness. Oh, I love it already.
You've got to learn, Jim. You are second in command, but that does not put you above the law.
Oh, I understand. And I also have lots of questions, like what does a demerit mean?
Let's put it this way. You do not want to receive 3 of those.
Lay it on me.
3 demerits, and you'll receive a citation.
Now that sounds serious.
Oh, it is serious. 5 citations, and you're looking at a violation. 4 of those, and you'll receive a verbal warning. Keep it up, and you're looking at a written warning. 2 of those, that'll land you in a world of hurt. In the form of a disciplinary review, written up by me and placed on the desk of my immediate superior.
Which would be me.
That is correct.
Okay, I want a copy on my desk by the end of the day, or you will receive a full disagulation.
What's that?
Oh, you don't want to know.
Whew. Wow, it is raining cats and dogs out there. Holy moly.
Phyllis says the same 12 cliches every time it rains. So, I promised everyone that if she says them all by noon today,